going to start the exercise 2.4 of the chapter polynomial. I am going to do all the questions from the NCERT book, optional exercise. So I am going to discuss now the first question. What is the first question? In the first question they said that verify the numbers given alongside of cubic polynomials below their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient in each case. So I need to explain the basic thing which is in the cubic polynomial, because this is of degree 3, that means it is a cubic polynomial. We know that the general form of the cubic polynomial is, this is px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So in our previous class we have discussed that if this is a polynomial of degree 2, then the zeros are alpha and beta, but here it is of degree 3, so there are 3 zeros and the zeros are alpha, beta and gamma. So what is the relation? The relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. After that, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and at last alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the relation of the zeros. So it is written alpha plus beta plus gamma, but if I want to write it in the language, then sum of all the zeros is minus b by a. Sum of the zeros taken two together is c by a, and product of the 3 zeros is minus d by a. So this is the relation of the zeros of alpha, beta and gamma. Now I am going to start this question. So how I can able to proceed for this question? To do this question, they said that I have to check that half, 1 and minus 2, they are the zeros or not. So first I have to find the value of p half. So what is the value of p half? This is 2 into half cube plus half whole square minus 5 into half plus 2. So this is 2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So this is 1 by 4. This is now 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means half. So this is half plus 2 minus 5 by 2. So this is positive 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. That means this is 0. That means by putting the value in the place of x half, I got that p half is equal to 0. That means half is a 0 of this given polynomial. Similarly, I am going to proceed for the number 1 and minus 2. So how I can be able to find p1? P1 is equal to 2. This is 2. After that x cube, that means 1 whole cube. After that x square means 1 square minus 5 into 1. After that this is 2. Okay. Now I am going to simplify. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 5. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 minus 5. This is 0. Now I need to find p minus 2. This is p minus 2. This is 2 into minus 2 whole cube. After that x square means plus minus 2 whole square. After that minus 5x minus 5 into minus 2. After that plus 2. This is plus 2. let me go for the simplification. What is this? This is minus 8 into 2 matlab minus 16. After that this is minus whole square, so it is plus 4. This is 5 into 2 10. This is plus 10 plus 2. So this is minus 16 plus 16 cancel. This is 0. That means it is already shown that half 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of this given polynomial. Now what I have to do? Now I have to verify that from that polynomial. How it possible? Let me consider alpha is equal to half, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to minus 2. So first what I have to find? First I have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. So I am going to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. That means half plus 1 minus 2. So this is half minus 1. This is minus half. Now I need to find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So what is this? This is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha means alpha is half, so it is half, beta is 1, so this is 1 plus beta gamma. Beta is 1, this is 1, gamma is minus 2. After that gamma alpha, gamma is minus 2 and alpha is half. Done. So what is this? This is half, this is minus 2 and this is minus 1. So what is this? This is half minus 3. This is 1 minus 6 divided by 2. This is minus 5 by 2. Done. Now at the end I need to find alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma is equal to what? This is half into 1 into minus 2. This and this cancel. This is minus 1. Now we have observed that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? This is minus b by a. After that alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to what? Is equal to c by a. And alpha into beta into gamma is equal to what? Is equal to minus d by a. Now what here in the first case a is equal to 2. In the second case also a is equal to 2, because if you want to write c by a here, you can write, or finally here this is c by a. So here a is equal to 2. So I need to make this a is equal to 2. How it possible? Let me multiply this, divide by 2 into 2. Any problem? So from here I can able to compare a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. After that c is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 5, and d is equal to, here it is minus d is equal to minus 2. That means d is equal to plus 2. It is d is equal to plus 2. Got it? So by using the zeros I found the value of a, b, c and d. Now what I have to find? I have to reach to the polynomial. So you know that the equation of the polynomial px is equal to ax square plus bx plus ax cube, sorry it is cubic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now my value of a is 2, so I am going to put the value of a is 2. So this is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Done. So this is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2 plus 2. That means this is matching with the given polynomial. So from the zeros I can able to reach to the polynomial. So this question has two parts. I have done the first part successfully, and second part is also the same, so I am going to do the second part now. They said that the polynomial is a different polynomial. What is the polynomial? The second part, the polynomial is x cube. This is x cube minus 4x square. After that, this is plus 5x. After that, minus 2. Since this is a polynomial in x, so I am going to write px. I am going to write px. Now, they say that the zeros are 2, 1 or 1. So this is 1 0 is 2, another 0 is 1, another 0 is 1. These are the zeros. These are the zeros. So if these values will satisfy this polynomial, that means this is the zeros. So now I have to show it. How I can able to show? First I need to find P2. What is P2? P2 is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2. This replaced by this 2, this replaced by the same 2, this also replaced by the same 2. So if I will open, if I will go for the simplification, this is 8, this is 2 to 4, 4 16 minus 16, 5 to 10, this is plus 10, this is minus 2. So what is that? 18 minus 2, this is plus 16, this is 16 minus 16, this is cancel, so this is 0. That means 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. Now I have to satisfy for 1 and 1. Since both are the same numbers, so I will do for only 1 zeros. Okay? What is this? This is P1 is equal to what? 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. Is this? Now 1 cube is 1. This is minus 4. After that, plus 5 minus 2. So what is this? 1 plus 5, this is 6. And this is minus 6. This is cancel, this is 0. It is done. So it is already checked that this are the zeros. So you can say, you can write that it is checked that 2, 1, 1 are the zeros of the polynomial px. So checking work is done. Now I have to start the work for the verification. How we can able to verify? You know that this is a cubic polynomial. So in case of cubic polynomial, we have to consider one 0 is as alpha, another is beta, and another is gamma. So let me proceed. My alpha is equal to 2, my beta is equal to 1, and my gamma is equal to 1. This has two same roots. Now first we need to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. That means 2 plus 1 plus 1. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That means 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. After that, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to 2 into 1 into 1. 2, 3, 4. This is 4. After that, this is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. This is 4. And this is 2. Now you know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. This is minus b by a. This is c by a. And this is minus d by a. Any problem? Now the matter is that nothing is there in the denominator, nothing is there in the denominator, nothing is there in the denominator. If nothing is there in the denominator, then the denominator is considered as 1, because we can divide 4 by 1, it will give me the same number. So the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to what? C is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 2. So I got a, b, c and d. Now I have to put these values in the generic form. So what is this? Px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now if I am going to put here ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, the values of a, b, c and d, so I will be getting here x cube minus 4x square, after that plus 4x minus 2. It is done. So successfully the first question, second part is done. Now I am going to start third question. What is the third question in the book? Let me read the question. Before that, so what they said in this question, they said that find a cubic polynomial, find a cubic polynomial, find a cubic polynomial find a cubic polynomial with the sum means alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of the product of its zeros, sum of the product of its zeros taken to at a time, taken to at a time, that means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and product of its zeros, and product of its zeros as 2 minus 7 minus 14 respectively. Now in this question they said find the cubic polynomial. That means I need to find px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That means by using these three conditions I need to find the value of a, b, c and d, and I have to put the values here. My work is done. How is it possible? They said sum of the zeros, that means alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what they said? They said 2. Actually we have to read the question carefully and we should have to translate the question in our own language. Sometimes the students used to do mistake. They used to consider this is as alpha, this is as beta and this is as gamma. No, it is wrong, because here they have not said that three different zeros are 2, minus 7 and minus 4. They said that zeros are 2, minus 7 and 4 as sum or sum of the zeros taken 2 at a time and product of the zeros. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7. After that alpha beta gamma is equal to what? Minus 4. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus 4 is equal to what? Minus d by a. Now nothing is there in the denominator, nothing is there in the denominator, nothing is there in the denominator. So there is no need to make the denominator same, and if nothing is there in the denominator, that means the denominator is 1. That means a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 7, and at last minus d is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancel, that means d is equal to 4. Now I have to put all these values in first. So px is equal to x cube plus, this is minus 2, So you can write in bracket minus 2, or you can do directly minus twice x square minus 7x minus 7x, after that d plus 4 plus 4. Any problem? X cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 4. This is px. Done. So successfully second question is done. And basically first question and second question, both the question is almost 80% correlated. Now I am going to start question number 3. This is a good question. What is question? If the zeros of the polynomial, question number 3 said that if the zeros of the polynomial, if the zeros of the polynomial, what is the polynomial? The given polynomial is here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are what? A minus b, a minus b, after that a and a plus b. Find a and b. Find a and b. I need to find the value of a and b. Please listen. This is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so let me write the polynomial first. Since this is a polynomial in x, so I am going to write px. Px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now, if this is the px, so I am going to write the cubic polynomial's general form. This is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If this is the general form, now I am going to compare. What is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1, d is equal to 1. So successfully I got the values of a, b, c and d. Now there is a problem. What is the problem? There is also small a, b. So if you want, you can change it. You can write it caps A, you can write it caps B, you can write it caps C, and you can write it caps D. Then that is also caps A, that is also caps B, that is caps C, and this is caps D. Done. Now you know that alpha. What is the alpha? First 0 is known as alpha. Alpha is equal to A minus B, beta is equal to A, and gamma is equal to A plus B. Any problem? So first we have to find that alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what is alpha? My alpha is A minus B, A minus B. My beta is A, and my gamma is A plus B, A plus B. And you know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. So what is minus B by A? This is minus B by A. That means minus B is minus 3. Yes, it is minus 3. Yes, this is minus 3. So this is minus of minus 3 divided by A. What is the value of A? A is equal to 1. So there is no need to write A is equal to A. This is 1. So it is cancelled. This is 3. Now again, it is minus B and plus B is eliminated. So it is thrice A is equal to 3. This and this cancel. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1, that means I need to find the value of A and B. One value is done. That means my 50% work is done. So if I need to find the other two values, that means I have to use other two relations. That means my second relation I have to apply first. What is my second relation? My second relation is product of the zeros, any two taken together and their sum. So what is that? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to what? Is equal to C by A. C by A. C1 A1, this is 1. Alpha beta A minus B into A. A minus B into A plus beta gamma A into A plus B plus gamma alpha, this is A plus B into A minus B is equal to 1. Now let me open the bracket. A into A is A square minus A into B, AB. This is A square plus AB. After that, here A square minus B square is equal to 1. Now what is that? This and this cancel. So A square plus A square plus A square is equal to what? Is equal to 3A square. So this is 3A square minus B square is equal to what? 1. Now I already got the value of A is equal to 1, so I am going to put it here. So if I will put the value of A1 here, so what I will be getting? 3. After that, A is equal to 1, that means 1 square into 1 square minus B square is equal to 1. This is 3 minus B square is equal to 1. Minus B square is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Cancel. That means B is equal to plus minus under root 2. This is the value of B. In the question they said that find the value of A and B. So you can stop here and you should have to stop here and you must have to stop here. Because there is no need to go for alpha, beta and gamma, because there is no need. I have reached my answer. Anybody has any problem? I think no problem. Now I am going to start fourth question. Fourth question is a very important question. This types of questions I have seen several times in the board question paper, and this question has one twin brother in exercise 2.3 question number 3 and another brother in example 9 of page 35, and these questions are very expected question in the CBSE paper and sample paper and school examinations also. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Here the question number 4 said that if two zeros of the polynomial, if two zeros of the polynomial x4, this is x4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. This is a polynomial, and this is a polynomial of degree 4. A polynomial of degree 4 is known as biquadratic polynomial. That means this is a biquadratic polynomial, and since it is of degree 4, so it has 4 zeros. After what they said, are 2 plus minus root 3. Find other zeros. Find other zeros. Now, since it is a here, this is a biquadratic polynomial because this is of degree 4. Now, if the is a biquadratic polynomial, that means it has 4 zeros. Among the 4 zeros in this question, they had given 2 zeros. One zero is alpha, another zero is beta. So alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay. So by using these two, I can able to form a polynomial of degree 2. So if I need to form a polynomial, first I need to find alpha plus beta. So what is this? This is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. This cancel. This is 4. And you know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. After that, alpha into beta is equal to what? 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So this is a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. That means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 is equal to c by a. So if I will compare, I will be getting a is equal to 1. B, what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. So this is a, b and c. Now let me consider the polynomial is gx. So the polynomial gx in of order 2, it is ax square plus bx plus c. Now I am going to put a is equal to 1. So this is x square minus 4x plus 1. So this is the polynomial gx. Now this is of degree 4 and this is of degree 2. So if I will divide this polynomial by this polynomial, then other two zeros I can able to find. How it possible? So let me divide. The procedure is the long division method. So what is the long division method? X square minus 4x plus 1. I am going to write x square minus 4x plus 1. So if I have to make 8x4, I have to multiply by x square. So this is x square. So x square into x square, this is x4. After that 4x cube minus 4x cube. After that plus x square plus x square. Done. Now this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So this is cancelled. This is minus 2x cube. After that this is minus 27x square. After that 138x minus 25. Now this is minus 2x cube, so I have to multiply by minus 2x. This is by minus 2x. So minus 2x cube minus 2x cube. After that minus plus 8x square plus 8x square. After that minus twice x minus twice x. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So this is cancelled. So what is this? 35. So this is minus 35x square. After that plus 140x. After that minus 35. Now I have to multiply this by minus 35. I am going to multiply by minus 35. So I am going to write here minus 35. So what is that? Minus 35x square. This is minus 35x square. After that plus 140 plus 140x. After that minus 35. This is minus 35. This is cancelled. If this is cancelled, that means this is 0. If this is 0, that means what I can able to find? The other two zeros are here. So if I need to find the other two zeros, then I have to go for the split the middle term of this. So what is this? X square minus twice x minus 35. So if I will go for the split the middle term, it is 5 into 7 35 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is x square minus 7 minus 5 into x. After that this is 35. Now I am going to open the bracket. If I open the bracket, this is x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. So if it is x, this is x minus 7 plus 5, this is x minus 7. So this is x minus 7 into x plus 5. So if I need to find the other two zeros, then I have to equate it as 0. This is x minus 7 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Or x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7. Now x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5. Any problem? So the remaining other two zeros are 7 and minus 5. These questions are done. This is one of the very good and important question. This is one of the most important questions. this book. Done. In the fifth question, they say that if the polynomial, what is the polynomial? Who is the polynomial? This is x4, minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial. Who is another polynomial? X square minus twice x square minus twice x plus k. This is a different type of polynomial because here this k is a constant and that is not any number like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a k, any arbitrary k, and the remainder comes out x plus a. Find k and a. I need to find the value of k and I need to find the value of a. Okay. So let me start by using the as well division. Basically this question is not that much tough question, but what we have to do in every step, we have to be careful about the calculation of all the parts. The student used to do mistake in the case of the calculation, in case of taking like terms and unlike terms. So I am going to guide you. This is x4. This is x4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. I am going to divide this by x square. This is x square minus twice x plus k. So I have to make it x4. How it possible? I have to multiply this by x square. I am going to multiply this by x square. So this is x square into x square. This is x4. This is minus twice x cube plus kx square plus kx square. Done. Now this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Cancel. So what is this? This is cancel. So what is this? 6 or 2 minus 4 x cube. After what is this? This is 16 minus k into x square. After that minus 25x plus 10. Any problem? Now I have to multiply by 4x. So let me multiply this by minus 4x. So what is this? Minus 4x cube. Now minus 4x into this. So minus into minus plus. This is plus 8x square. This is plus 8x square. Minus into minus. This is plus 4 into 2, 8x square. And this is k. So if I multiply this by k, what I will be getting? I will be getting plus k into x square, k into x square. So this is kx square. After that k into minus 4x minus 4kx minus 4kx. Done. So this is minus, this is minus. Let me change plus. Let me change minus. Let me change minus. Let me change plus. So this is cancelled. Now this is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. I have to multiply k into x square, kx square, and plus 4kx. Yes. So what is this? This is 16 minus 8 is equal to what? 8. And here minus k, here minus k, minus twice k into x square. After that, what is this? This is 4kx and this is minus 25. So this is plus 4k minus 25 into x plus 10. Any problem? What I did this x square together, this x square together, and this together, this and this together. This is alone 10. So now I have to multiply this by 8 minus twice k. Let me multiply by 8 minus twice k. So here I will be getting 8 minus twice k into x square. 8 minus twice k into x square. Now here I have to multiply. So minus 2, this is minus 16. Again minus 2 plus 4k into x. After that plus 8 minus twice k into x. Is this? Let me check it once again. Minus 2 into 8, minus 16, minus 2 into minus twice k plus 4k into x. After that, this is 8k, 8, I have to multiply this. So this is k, 8k, I did wrong. This is 8k square and this is, sorry, it is 8k is correct. 8k. Because k into 8 is 8k and k into k square minus twice k. Now I am going to subtract. If I will be subtract minus and minus. So here it is eliminated. Now this is the matter with this. This is 4k minus 4k, that means 0. And this is 25 minus plus 16, that means minus 9. So here I will be getting minus 9. This is k square. So here 4k cancel, minus 8k minus 2k square. गलत हो गया यार ये क्वेश्चन, पूरा गलत हो गया यार. What I have to do? x4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25 plus 10. Now I have to divide this by x square minus twice x plus k. This is x square minus twice x plus k. So I have to multiply this by x square. I am going to multiply this by x square, because if I will multiply this by x square will give me x4. So this is x4. After that minus 2x cube minus 2x cube. After that plus kx square plus kx square plus kx square plus kx square. Now I am going to subtract. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is cancelled. This is minus 4x cube minus 4x cube. After that plus 16 minus k into x square minus 25x plus 10. Done. Now it is x square, so minus 4x. This is minus 4x. So this is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube. After that, plus 8x square. Plus 8x square. After that, minus 4kx. 4kx. This is done. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So this is cancelled. Now 16 minus 8 will give me only 8. So this is 8 minus k into x square. After that, 4k plus 4k minus 25 into x plus 10. Any problem? Now let me multiply this by 8 minus k plus 8 minus k. So this is 8 minus k into x square. After that, minus 2 into 8 minus 16 plus minus 16. Minus 2 into 8 is minus 16. It is minus 16. After that, minus 2 into k plus twice k into x. And at last 8k. So this is plus 8k, k into k minus k square. This is done. This is done. Now I am going to subtract. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Done. Now what I have to do? I have to eliminate this. It is cancelled. Now minus into minus plus, and plus minus minus. So 4k, and this is minus twice k because I have to open this bracket. So 4k minus twice k is equal to twice k. So this is twice k. After that, minus 25 plus 16 is equal to minus 9. Minus 9 into x. After that, this is all constant term because there is no x, there is also no x. So it would be taken together 10 minus 8k plus k square. Now I have to stop the division here. I can't able to proceed or more because here it is x and here it is x square. Fine. So they said that the remainder is x plus a. That means this value is x plus a. This value is x plus a. If this value is twice k minus 9, twice k minus 9 into x plus, this is 10 minus 8k plus k square is equal to x plus a. Now here it is only x. Here it is, this value is x plus a. Now there is only x. That means the coefficient of x is 1. So if I will try to compare the coefficient, so this is equals to this. This is twice k minus 9 is equal to 1, or twice k is equal to 10, or k is equal to 5. K is equal to 5. This is the value of k. Now this is a and this is the value of a. So what is this? A is equal to 10 minus 8k plus k square. So what is this? This is 10. This is 10 minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square. This is 10 minus 8 5s are 40 plus 25. So this is 10 plus 25, 35. So I'm going to write 35 minus 40 is equal to minus 5. So the value of a is minus 5 and the value of k is 5. This way the exercise is finished.